One man's trash is another man's treasure. Grab your orange spray paint. Let's paint away. Paint the front, and then also don't forget to get inside the door. Take those extra shopping bags, cover those wheels. It makes it better than masking tape. I've got something special planned for that license plate, so paint right over it. Just going to paint the tire black. Okay, I read those comments, get those stickers off. Take your white spray paint. We're gonna paint the top all white. Take 2 of these traffic cones. Take your painter's tape. Do about 1.5 inches from the top of the traffic cone. Just tape it all the way around. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the closer to perfect, the better. Go from the bottom, measure about 2.5 inches up, and do another strip right around the bottom. I'm using the sun yellow gloss. Paint the bottom of your traffic cone. Don't spray too much. You don't want to have those drips. Take your gloss white, just like the car. We're gonna touch the top of the cone with the white. I'm using a piece of my pizza box to help mask this. It just keeps from overspray. I found that doing short little sprays keeps you from getting drips. Grab some scrap felt. We're just gonna cut some shapes out, and then we're going to hot glue them on. Once you cut a molehill out of your felt, fold it in half like so. Cut a little bit here, and then just cut straight down, just like that. Now we're gonna do the same here. We're just gonna cut. Now notice we're cutting through 2 pieces of felt. So cut there, there, and cut there. This is perfect. Take some hot glue, just put right here on the felt. You can use glue if you like, but I'm gonna stick with my trusty old hot glue. Take this, flip it around, glue that right there to the front. We are almost done. Take a little bit more hot glue. I'm just gonna hit the corners, and I'm just going to put this right here into place. Picked up these bats at Walmart for just a couple of dollars. They're cardboard, so don't use these if you're gonna put this one outside, but for me, it's gonna be under a covered patio. Take a little bit of hot glue, place a dot here on the back, and then just put that right into place. We're gonna cover up that little Tykes tag. Look what I found. I went to 3 stores trying to find something candy corn. These are sponges, and I picked them up at Target. Put a little bit in the middle, and then just press that right into place. I told my friend what I was making, so she made me this cry-cut sign. So shout out to Tiffany. You know it wouldn't be a Gooch creation without some twinkle lights. Let's put these twinkle lights into place, and then it's time for the big reveal. Last twinkle light going into place. Now let's remove the painter's tape. Make sure you do it carefully. This is going to be amazing. I almost forgot the license plate, so let's put a dollop of hot glue in each corner and put this on the back of this mobile. Let's get this tape off of my cry-cut letters. I cannot wait for you to see who I've got driving this. Welcome to the Gooch Cab Company. Your ride has arrived. Look at these traffic cone candy corns I made. I've got the blow mold ghost here as the driver. I've got my candy bowl for my trick-or-treaters. And check this out. Look at my license plate. Be sure to check the comments. I'll post a photo of this lit up tonight so you can see what this all looks like after the sun goes down. And as always, if I can do this, you can do this. Amazing.